Hello again and welcome to our science class. Are you ready for our science? Huh? Teacher? So you have to prepare your worksheet first. Bye-bye, teacher, Anna, Pat. You have to prepare your worksheet first before we start, okay? This worksheet using 5 senses, okay? 5 senses. You have to prepare this worksheet first. Hi, Bye-bye. Hello, Shin. Shin.
Teacher, it's the finish.
Huh? This one. This?
Teacher, it's the finish.
You finished already this one?
Yes.
Oh my. You are so smart, Nietzsche. So you can sleep now. Okay, you have to cooperate, okay? Hi, Ma. Hi, Mas. How are you, Mas? Okay. You have to prepare this worksheet. Hello, Mas. Prepare this worksheet first before we start. Shane, Tin, where is your worksheet, Tin? Bye-bye. Anna, you prepare this worksheet so we can start. Why, Mas? You're smiling alert. You're so happy, Mas? You're happy, Mas? Huh? Okay, are you ready? Prepare this worksheet. The 5 senses, using our 5 senses. This is our topic for today. Yes, that one. Oh, you are so smart. You answer already. But anyway, you have to listen to this one. This is how?
Okay.
It's all about 5 senses. Okay, I know you are very smart. Okay, you have to check this one out. I prepared this one for you. Okay. So you answer already your worksheet. To those who are not answering, those who did not answer worksheet yet, you have to listen. And to those who finished answer the worksheet, you have to cooperate, okay? And try to answer my question. Okay. Science, welcome. Okay.
เรียนภาษา
5 senses. What are the 5 senses?
เรียนนี่ไงเรียนนี่ไง
Okay, we have her
ไปนี่ดูดิมีจมูกไหม
hearing.
ดูไหน
We have a sense of taste.
ไหม
We have a sense of smell. We have a sense of touch. Okay, this one, Harry. You open this one. Hannah, you prepare. Have you answered your worksheet already, Hannah? This one, Harry, your worksheet.
ที่เชิญ
Okay. Now I want you to listen to this one first. Okay, listen to this one. This is all about, this is related to the 5 senses, okay?
พอใจหน่อย
Listen to this.
A, B, C, D, E.
So that song is all about the 5 senses, okay? That song is all about the 5 senses. Now let us continue to our topic.
ดูจมูกนี่
Okay, let us continue now. Okay, the 5 senses. We have a sense of sight, smell, hearing, taste, and touch. Okay? For our eyes can sense the sense of sight. The eyes can sense the sense of sight. Okay? Our eyes, we can use our eyes to see nice view, to see anything we want to see, okay? So the eyes is The use of our eyes is for sight, okay? Seeing, okay? We can use our eyes is very important to us, okay? So you need to take care of your eyes. And we can use our nose to sense the smell, okay? For smelling. We will use the nose to sense the smell of foods, okay? So the sense of flowers, the smell of flowers, okay? So we can use our nose for smelling. And for hearing, our ears. That is the work of our ears, okay? A sense of hearing is the use of our ears. This is an ears, right? What is this, Harich? Icha, what is this? Yeah. Air, Shane, air, okay? Air, we can use air for what? Hearing, okay? We can use our ears for hearing, okay? And for our tongue, where is your tongue? I want to see your tongue. Shane, where is your tongue, Shane? Show me your tongue, Shane. Your tongue, where is your tongue? Oh, very good. Where is your tongue, Harich? I want to see your tongue, Harich. Harich, hello. I want to see your tongue. Where is your tongue, Harich? Show me your tongue. Your tongue. Your tongue. Show me your tongue, Harich. Bye bang. Oh, very good. Bye bang. Nicha, where is your tongue? Your tongue, Nicha. Show me your tongue. Anna, Pat, where is your tongue, Pat? Your tongue. Okay, this is your tongue. Okay? Okay, so our tongue is the one who can sense that, who can sense taste. Okay? Okay, we can test the yummy. Okay, we can test sour, sweet. Okay? By the use of our tongue, we can know that kind of taste. Okay? So our tongue is very important. Okay, because this is the one who can sense if we like the food or we don't like the food. Okay, so that is very important because we cannot have a test if we have a problem with our tongue. So you have to take care with your tongue, okay? And for our skin, our hands, what is the use of, where is your hands, Shane? Your hands, Shane? Your hands? Okay. Harriet, your hands? Harriet, show me your hands. Bye, happy, good. Harriet, show me your hands. Harriet, okay, very good, Harriet. Okay, Nicha, show me your hands and Pat. Okay, the use of our hands is for touching. So, okay, so we need to use our hands to touch anything, okay? You can touch mommy, you can touch daddy using your hands, okay? So your hands is very important. Our hands is, the sense of our hands is for touching. Okay, we can touch anything using our hands. So you need to take care of your hands, okay? You need to take care of your hands because our hands is very, very important. Okay, those are the 5 senses. And let's go more example. Okay, we have here the 5 senses. Okay, again, another one. So this one is our eyes. I see with my eyes. Or okay, can you say it? I see with my eyes. Change. I see with
my eye.
Okay, very good. Nicha, come on. I see. Nicha, I see. Yes, I see with my eyes.
My eyes.
Okay. Okay, so our eyes is very important to us because we cannot see if we have a problem with our eyes, okay? Okay, so our eyes is very important because our eyes is helping us to see anything we want. Okay, Harris, I want to hear from you. I see, open your mouth, Harris. I see with my eyes. Come on, Harris. Do it. I see. I see.
With my eye.
I see with my eyes.
With my eye.
Oh, very good, Harriet. How about Bye-Bye? I want to hear from you, Bye-Bye. I see. Come on, Bye-Bye. I see.
I see up with my eyes.
Oh, very good, Bye-Bye. And how about Pat? I want to hear from you, Pat. I see. Pat. With. Come on, Pat. With my eyes. I see with my eyes. Okay? Okay, Pat. I see. Come on, Pat. But I see.
My arm.
With my eyes. You keep practice speaking, okay? You have to open your mouth to speak English, okay? Speak English. Try to speak English, okay? Now let's go to hearing, okay? Let's go to our ears, okay? What is the work of our ears? I hear with my ears. I hear. You can hear because you have an ear. You can hear because you have your ears. I hear. Come on, Shane. I hear. Come on, Shane. I hear with my ears. Come on, Shane. I want to hear Shane. I hear. I hear.
With my ear.
Oh, very good, Shane. It's very clear. Now let's go to Nisha. Come on, Nisha. I hear with my ears.
Here.
I hear.
My ear.
Okay, very good, Nisha.
Yes. With my ear.
Yes, very good, Nisha. And I want to go to Harwich. Come on, Harwich. Harwich. Come on, open your mouth. I hear. Come on, Harwich.
I hear.
With my ears. I hear. With my ears.
With my ear.
With my ear.
Okay, that's good, Harwich. You can hear because of your ears. And I want to hear from you, Bye Bang. Can you say it? I hear. Bye Bang. I hear.
I hear. With
With my
ear.
Oh yeah, very good, Bye Bang. And how about Pat? Come on, Pat. I hear. Pat, come on, Pat. I hear. I hear with my ears.
My ear.
With my
I
ear.
hear with my ears. Okay. Okay, very good, Pat. I hear with my ears. Okay, Pat.
อ่านตามอ่านดังๆลูก
I
พัดครูเรียก
come on, Pat, open my
อ่านที่
hear.
I hear
I hear.
with my ear
With my ear.
Okay, very good. Now let's go to your tongue. I taste with my tongue. All of us, I taste with my tongue. Okay? I taste with my tongue. Okay? This is the use. Our tongue is very important for testing. Okay? And our nose. Let's go to our nose. I smell with my nose. So our nose can sense the smelling, whether it is a bad smell or a good smell, okay? So our nose is very important. And now let's go to touch with my hand. Okay, what happened? Why it's touch? Oh, I touch with, okay. So just a minute. Okay, now. Okay, now let's start. Let's continue. Okay, so these are the 5 senses. So you answer already your worksheet, right? You already know the 5 senses. Hi, Ten. Hello, Ten. You already answer your worksheet, Ten. This one, Ten.
Yes.
Ten. You are a little bit late,
คุณครู
Ten.
ถามว่าทำเวิร์กชีทเสร็จหรือยังชีทที่ไปเอาเรียน
Okay,
เสร็จยัง
Ten.
เสร็จแล้ว
เสร็จแล้วตอบว่าไง
You answer your worksheet.
yes
Yeah.
Your science worksheet. Okay, Ten. Okay, so you are late. You are a little bit late, but at least you came. So now let's go to I touch with my hand. So our hands is very important. Okay, Shane, very good. So our hands is very important. Okay, using our hands, we can touch anything we want. Okay, so our 5 senses is very important. Okay, so our 5 senses is the eye is for seeing, is for sight. Our ears is for hearing. Our tongue is for taste. And nose is for smelling, smell. And head is for touching. So what are the 5 senses? Sight, eyes for sight, Shane. Okay, so you already understand what are the 5 senses, right? Okay, so you are all very good. I hope you can answer your worksheet. And
Oh, Nata.
okay, our time is already up. So this is the sense of smell. Okay, this is the sense of smell. I will go a little bit faster. Okay, we can smell. This one is a good smell. He is enjoying the smell. Okay, what does it smell like? So if it is a good smell, your face will be very happy. Your face is like this if it is a good smell, right?
what does it
If it is
smell
a bad smell, your face is like that. Sad. Okay, now let's go. Let's go to this one. Okay, good smell is what? What is the face in good smell? You have a happy face. So good smell, it is a
พัดไม่
happy
ได้ตั้งใจ
face.
เลย
And also this
ตั้ง
one,
ใจอ่ะที่สัญญา
good
กับแม่
smell,
พัดเล่นอ่ะพัดไม่สนใจที่ครูเขาสอนเลย
okay? And this one, this is also a good smell. You can smell good. So you can have a happy face, okay? And for this one, this tissue also feels a good smell. So it is a happy face, okay? And now we have this one. She enjoying the smell? I think so. So she is happy, okay? This is a happy face. And how about this one? Also, this is a happy face. She is enjoying the smell. Then let's go to this one. Oh, she put perfume. Perfume is a very good smell, right? You like perfume? So your face will become like that if you are putting perfume, right? Okay, now let's go to this one. Uy, a bad smell. What will be your reaction if you can smell bad? What will be your face? Oh, your face is like that. Okay, you don't like this bad smell? So your face is like that. Okay, you are not happy. Now let's go to this. Oh, bad breath. So you need to brush your teeth, right? Don't forget to brush your teeth so you can have a fresh breath, not bad breath, okay? Okay, so now let's go to this one. Also, garbage. Also, you can smell bad. So it is, the face also is a sad face. So I hope you understand and you answer. You can answer all your worksheets. And thank you so much, my dear Kitu. So this is all for today, and I'll see you next week, okay? Thank you so much. And this is all for today. Thank you. Thank you so much, Shane, Tin, Anika, Anna, all of you who is in here. So thank you so much. I'll see you next week. I love you, my people. Heart, heart, heart. Heart, heart, heart. Come on. Heart, heart, heart. I love you. Okay, bye.
ตัวอันนี้นี่
Nisha, Shane, Anna. Okay. 10. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Enjoy your
ใส่
weekend.
ทิชชู่หน่อย
Enjoy your weekend. Bye. I love you. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Thank you.